Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to capitalization text uppercase and lowercase in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document with some text. Now you can see here are my document with some text. Now I change capitalization text uppercase and lowercase in this text. At first you have to select this text. Now go to format menu and click text option. Now you can see here are capitalization option. Now choose lowercase. Now you can see I capitalize text lowercase. Now I capitalization text uppercase. Again go to format, then click text and go to capitalization. Now press uppercase. Now you can see I change capitalization text uppercase and lowercase very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.